Hello friends, welcome to E.A.S. In this assignment video, we are going to discuss about the various networking terminologies. The term network terminologies refer to all components required or involved in getting network devices to communicate with each other. These are as follows. First, client. The foremost networking terminology is the client. These clients are all users or nodes, which are connected to the network and communicating with each other simultaneously. It means, if any networking device is going to join our network, then this device will be a client of this particular network. Second, server. Next networking terminology is the server, and this term known as the nervous system of any network. It is a center point or powerhouse for all typical clients of the network. It facilitates the sharing of data, software and hardware resources on the network. The server receives data from all networking devices and further transmits this data to other receiving nodes. A network can have more than one server and each one have a unique identity. Third, cable. Cable or transmission media is a medium for the data transmission, in which the data travels from client to server or from server to client. Transmission media are found in two types. First, wired transmission media, and second, wireless transmission media. In wired transmission media, the data travels through wire cables. These are found in three types: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and optical fiber cable. Similarly, in wireless transmission media, data travels via electromagnetic signals. These are also having two types: radio waves and microwaves. Fourth, links. In computer networking, a link describes the connection between two endpoints or end nodes. It is a final path of data communication between sender to receiver and can be directed means, unidirectional, or undirected means, bidirectional. Fifth, connectivity. Network connectivity describes the extensive pathway of data communication. Unlike the links, it demonstrates each and individual segment like routers, switches, etc., which comes under the pathway of data communication from sender to receiver. Sixth, protocols. These are the minimum required set of rules for the data communication, which has to be followed by every connected devices across a network to communicate and share information among them. Following are some examples of networking data protocols. TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So friends, did you like our video? Tell us about this in the comment section. And also like and subscribe to our channel and videos, so we can stay connected with you. Till then, it's goodbye.